School taught you how to pass exams, but it didn't teach you how to make money. It didn't teach you about taxes, cash flow, assets, or building wealth. And in the real world, these are the lessons that matter most. As a business owner, here's what I've learned about making money that school never taught me, but should have. Hi, my name is Davies. I run a pressure washing business now, but I spent years unlearning what school taught me about money. So, if you are tired of being broke, stuck, or financially clueless, this video is for you. Let's talk about what school missed and how to finally take control of your income. So let's get started. Number one, making money isn't about working hard. It's about solving problems. School rewards effort. The real world rewards value. You don't get paid for how hard you work. You get paid for the problems you solve. Start thinking like this. What pain can I remove for someone? And how much is that worth? 2. Income doesn't equal wealth. School trained you to get a job and earn a salary. But wealth isn't about income. It is about what you can keep, grow, and invest. Learn how to manage your money, not just make it. 3. Assets make money while you sleep. Assets are things that put money into your pocket. Jobs stop paying you when you stop working. But assets like rental property, businesses, dividend stocks, these pay you even when you sleep. School never taught you how to build assets. That is your job now. 4. You need sales and marketing. No matter what you do, whether you're a plumber, an artist, or a coach, if you can't sell, you will definitely struggle. School never taught persuasion, communication, or content creation. But in 2025, those are the money skills. 5. Time is your most valuable currency. School made you trade your time for grades. But real wealth, it's about trading value for freedom. So, learn to use your time building things that pay you back, even when you're not working. 6. Jobs are just one option, not the only one. School pushed the 9 to 5 as if it is the only plan. But you can freelance, you can build businesses, you can monetize your skills, start a YouTube channel, or even run an online store. You don't need to quit your job, but you do need to stop thinking it is the only way to earn. 7. Your mindset about money will make or break you. School conditioned you to be an employee, but no one taught you how to think like an owner. Shift your mindset from how much can I earn to how much value can I create. 8. No one is coming to save you. There's no teacher, no exam, no curriculum in real life. You are the student, the investor, and the boss. Start educating yourself daily by reading books, listening to podcasts, mentors, because that's your new school. 9. You can start with nothing, but you can't stay ignorant. You don't need money to start, but you do need mindset, discipline, and strategy. The earlier you learn this, the faster you'll grow. 10. Your network equals your net worth. School rarely emphasized the importance of relationships, but in business and in life, who you know often matters more than what you know. Build relationships with people who stretch your thinking, not shrink your vision. Opportunities often come from conversations, not qualifications. 11. Multiple streams of income are a necessity, not a luxury. School taught us to rely on one paycheck, but in 2025, that is very risky. Whether it is a side hustle, investment, or content, diversify your income like your life depends on it, because it does. You need money flowing in from multiple places, not just one. Although you should start with one and master it, then diversify. 12. Being broke is a moment, but staying broke is a mindset. School may have taught struggle as noble, but let's be real. Staying broke often comes from mental state, poor habits, or financial ignorance. You can start from nothing, but don't let that be the excuse to stay there. 13. Confidence comes from competence. School graded you on memorization. Real life rewards you for execution. The more skills you learn and apply, the more confidence you will build. Stop waiting to feel ready. Skill creates confidence, not the other way around. 14. Don't trade your dreams for a paycheck. School never told you that security can be a trap. A comfortable salary may cost you your creativity, your ambition, and your freedom. Chase your dreams smartly. Build your business wisely. And never forget, your future is worth the risk. So let us recap. School didn't teach you how to make money because it wasn't designed to do so. It taught you how to follow instructions. But money rewards those who think differently. If this opened your eyes, drop a comment below. I am learning what school never taught me. And if you're building your path, your business, or your financial future, hit the subscribe button. This video is for people who think different, act bold, and grow real wealth. Your financial future isn't built in a classroom. It's built in the real world. So, get out there and start learning what school never taught you.